Hi guys, welcome back. So I've got my car booked into DRW Performance today for some work to be done. I'm going to get this standard exhaust off and we're going to put a single mid pipe on. I did listen to the various different types of exhausts out there and I don't want anything too loud or too raspy, so I'm going to go with this to start with, and if I do go for downpipes in the future I might rethink it, but for the time being that's the plan. Right guys, I'm here, arrived at DRW as you can see behind me. So I'm going to get the car on the ramp now and then we'll get some footage and show you what's done, and we'll do some before and after clips as well. Right guys, so on the way home from having it done, it does sound much better. See if you can pick this up in the camera, I'm not sure if you will be able to.